stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed.
Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is me, Blessing here. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. For my old subscribers, I love you the best. Today is Saturday, guys. And I want to unbox and I want to share something with you guys. Non-sponsored. It's something everybody, women use. And today, and my also say hello. Hi. My also is here. Barry is with me today. So I am unboxing this. It's called Easy Home. Easy Home Macchina. I'm reading in Italian, please. Macchina di cucire simply means easy sewing machine in English. So guys, I bought this so that I can do some stitches, and it has 60 programs for designing and for sewing. So let me unbox. I said let me share with my family, and then show you guys the way it looks like. Okay. So to put something. Okay. These people keep doing something so difficult for somebody to. Okay. Okay. I have to tear it here again. Okay. It is very easy if you have it, and you want to do, yeah, guys, it's heavy a little. It's about 7.5 kilos. Yeah, and the kilowatts does not consume much. The kilowatt is 70 kilowatts, and the cable is 1.8 meters. The garancia is 3 years garancia. So let me open it out and see. You can see how it is being packed. So I'll be bringing it up, guys. Oh, yeah, guys, it's softening here. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I have wrestled with the carton. At the end, I brought it out. At the end, the packaging was so tight. You know when they do it in the company, it's very, very tight. Okay. Very sexy machine, though. Very, very sexy. Guys, look at. Take a look. Take a look. Also, Barry, are you seeing this? Do you like it? Barry, say you love it. Guys, you can see how the machine look like. Then here, all the accessories is inside here. So I bring it out. You see, everything is being packeted here. The pedal. This one is not like our manual this thing. I know everybody will know this is the pedal in here. When you socket this one to the current, you plug this one to the machine, then socket this one to the current. Why this one here is the pedal where you press your leg. You see? You can hear that. So here is where you put your leg for the pressure. According to what you're stitching and what you're sewing, you just put here, the thing will just be going easily. Not what we'll be doing our leg like this. You know that our pattern, butterfly pattern Nigeria. So that is what I have here. I said let me share with you guys. Non-sponsored. I love their products, and I bought it for me to start doing stitches. They even put something here for me to sew. So Very, very easy and portable. You see, very, very portable. It's not heavy. It's 7 kilos, 7.5 kilos. I mean, it's called Easy Home. Easy Home. So Easy Home, thank you for this. I so much love your product. For my friends that have used it, they say it's very fantastic. My friend, she's now in London, Isabella. Hi. She used it. She used to do some things for us, and she's so that's why I bought it. I bought it many, and I'll be sending some home. Then keep the one I'm using. And this thing here, I bought it from this shop. I've told you guys, non-sponsored though. I will tell you where I bought it. I bought it from ID. The day I went into ID shop, I saw it, and it was the place I still bought my cast oil pot, the gizzard wok, and the frying pan that I wanted to order online. So I saw it there, and I bought it. And I know that I said at this shop they used to bring things that is very, very important and very, very original. So they even put a cloth here. See a cloth that I will use to cover this machine. See the cloth, you see the cloth here. You use it to cover the machine after sewing. See, they still put this one. It's a machine that you don't spend much money, and it's very, very easy to use, and it's very, very fantastic. Machine that will give you 60 programs for you to run. You want to design, you want to embroider, whatever you want is in this machine. I've been seeing others, but what I really want, because when I call home, they will tell me, "Auntie, this type, this type, this type." So when I saw the quality, they're telling me, and now decided to buy this. So guys, this is what I have today to share with you guys. Hope you like what you see. If you see this marker, it's a nice marker. Easy Home. Okay. So here now, when you take something, little thing for them to help and stitch for you, they will tell you 10 euro. Small thing, 20 euro. And it is advisable, good for we mothers or women to start learning how to do stitches. I mean, amending your clothes at home or the kids at home. If you hear it is difficult here, where you buy, there are shops here where they sell sewing machines. So I've gone to ask them. They say yes, I can do a course with them. They will teach me how to use it, but they will teach me with their own. Then I will come with my own too, so that they will teach me how to use this one to do the sewing and the running. Not that I'm going to sew, just to do my things at home and my kids things. Then I think I will go into YouTube to begin to learn from those that teaches how to cut. If from Nigeria, I will go and hold their course. I'm telling you how to do some clothes. I mean, but I find out that in YouTube, I can still do that in YouTube. So when I finish with them here, with the course I have with them, then I will come to YouTube to learn how to do some cutting of Nigerian clothes, because Italian cutting is not the same with our own because of their tape. In their tape, they use we use inches while they use centimeter. So that is the difference of their measurement and our cutting of clothes. So that I will learn from that of their own, then apply that of our Nigerian cutting. So guys, this is what I have. Barry, what do you have to say? You like it? You see, my body say you love it so much. Is so much happy, and I'm going to do another bow tie. Another bow tie. This time I'll be doing green though for you. They will do green for you for this Christmas, or pure red. So guys, this is all I have. If ID shop is nearer you, it is during summer because they don't keep it permanent. These shops, they have seasons when they sell their things. So I bought it by the end of September, and I try to unbox it today. So if you go to ID, you can go and check them out, because this shop, they bring original things quality. I'm telling you, original things that is made from the country. If it is from Germany, if it is from US, if it is from Britain, it is original, not. And this marker, I don't know, let me see the producers of this. Okay, this is Italy, eh? This machine is from Italy. It's Italian marker, as you can see it here. Yeah, made in Italy. So it's a nice machine, guys. Today, let me not wrap too much. I'm ending here. This is what I have for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you've been watching me and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Help your sister by clicking the subscribe button. Turn off your notification bell, because some people subscribe, they don't turn off the notification bell. If you subscribe me and you did not on your notification bell, you will not see my videos when I upload videos. Please smash that notification bell. Whenever I upload my video, you will be the next to receive. See you in my next vlog. If you like what I do, thank you. God bless you. Arrivederci.